Hello, this is a quick video explanation about direct quotes versus paraphrase, or how to avoid plagiarism. So first, some definitions. Direct quoting. Direct quotes are word for word copies of someone else's words. On a computer, you often do this with copy and paste. Nothing has been changed. So here's an example. Here is a text, an article about solar storms, and the first sentence says, periodically, the sun spews out gigantic eruptions of particles into the solar system. This is my original text, and this is how I would do a direct quote. Quote, periodically, the sun spews out gigantic eruptions of particles into the solar system. I mark this as direct quote with quotation marks and a parenthetical. A parenthetical is a thing in a parentheses. That's where it comes from, parenthetical. In this case, because I know the author, I put the author's last name in the parentheses. This is a direct quotation. Paraphrasing, on the other hand, is when you put someone else's ideas into your own words, not just changing a few words, but processing in your head and writing from scratch. An example again, same article, original text. According to Kenneth Chang in the New York Times, the sun can emit large bursts of particles into space. So I read that, and then I put it in my own words. I still am citing the source for where I learned this originally, but because there's no quotation marks, that means that it's my own words. Yes, my words, his idea. Okay, paraphrase. Beware. Beware of copy and paste. As soon as you copy and paste, you should put quotation marks and make it a direct quote. If you want to paraphrase, do not copy and paste. What if you copy and paste and just change a few words? That is still plagiarism. If I made a song called Pineapple Sugar instead of Watermelon Sugar, Harry Styles is still going to sue me. All right, what is plagiarism? What does that mean when someone says plagiarism? Plagiarism is using the words or ideas of others without properly acknowledging the source. Direct quotes are great. They are often required. How do you acknowledge a direct quote? Quotation marks and citing the source. Anything not in quotation marks is assumed to be your words. So let's look at plagiarism. Here's again, same opening paragraph, and I wrote this. Sometimes the sun spews out gigantic eruptions of particles into the solar system. So, do you see how there's no quotation marks, but this is word for word? The sun spews out gigantic eruptions of particles into the... This is, because it has no quotation marks and no source cited, this is plagiarism.